day of winter, the bird's mother is going out of the nest to search for food, and she said to her kids, "Don't leave the nest, my sweeties." The older brother said, "Don't worry." And the second one said, "Don't, we will stay in the nest." And the little brother said, "Oh, Mommy, please come back quickly. I'm scared." The bird's mother flied with her wings high in the sky to see the fields and the mountains, and the little three birds stay in the nest. After 1 hour, the three little birdies heard someone calling them down the tree. "Good morning, my friends." And then the three little birds, curious, said who was calling them. The older bird said, "Who are you?" And the second one said, "We don't know you." And the little birdie said, "Mommy isn't here, I'm scared." The cunning fox stands down the tree, smiled and said, "Don't worry. Don't be scared, my lovelies. I bring some seeds for you. It's so yummy." The elder brother said, "I recognize you now. You are the cunning fox." The cunning fox said, "If I were cunning, I want to give you these delicious seeds." "Okay, fine. I'm going and I will let the seeds here." The cunning fox was hiding behind the tree, and when the two little birdies get down the tree to go to eat the delicious seeds, the two little brothers were eating the seeds, and the youngest brother was looking at them. And after a moment, the cunning fox attacked the two birdies and wanted to eat them. They ran away. The little bird said, "Help! Help! Mommy, help! The cunning fox!" And when he wanted to run away with them, the bird's mother attacked the cunning fox and he let go the two little birdies. And the cunning fox ran away. The bird's mother hugged her kids and said, "Don't worry, my sweeties, I'm with you now." The oldest bird said, "Sorry, Mommy, I didn't hear what you told us." And the second one said, "We will never repeat this again, promise." And the youngest bird brother said, "I am not scared anymore because Mommy is with me now." So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it and you see it's creative, subscribe and like and share to your friends. Bye!